Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class of GK, we discussed some important questions related to current affairs. Okay, and we also discussed some important facts related to current affairs. Okay, now in that class, we also discuss some important question related to current affairs, and also we discuss some important days. Okay, and we are also we discuss about some important apps which we recently used in our government or central government, state government and central government. Okay, now first of all we discuss some important days. Dear students, in January, first of all we discuss about all the important days, some important day in month of January. There are some important days celebrated in January, like there in 9 January. This is very important. 9 Jan. We celebrated what? Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Okay. Which day celebrated at 9 January? Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. And one important day is also celebrated in January is in 12th January. 12th January, it is also very important. 12 Jan. In 12 January we celebrated the National Youth Day, Rashtriya Yuva Divas. Okay, National Youth Day, beta. National Youth Day. This friend, sorry. We celebrated the National Youth Day in at 12 January. This is very important and famous day which we celebrated. Now, in next one is what? 15 Jan. 15 January. This is Army Day. You know that this is very important for our examination purpose. 15 January we celebrated the what? Army Day. Thal Sena Divas. Okay. Army Day means which? Thal Sena. Thal Sena Divas. And some other important, yes. Dear friends, in 24 January celebrated what? This is very important day. Dear student, Antarashtriya Balika Divas means Girls Day. Girls Day celebrated in that day. Antarashtriya Shiksha Divas also celebrated in that day. 24 of Jan. 24 of Jan we celebrate the International Education Day. International Education Day, or we are also celebrated at 24 of Jan is what? A Girls Day, Balika Divas. Girls Day means Rashtriya Balika Divas. Okay, so these are the very important some famous days which we celebrated in Jan. 9 January, this is Bharatiya Pravasi Divas, Pravasi Bharati Divas, and 12 January National Youth Day means Rashtriya Yuva Divas celebrated, and 15 Jan is Army Day means Thal Sena Divas, and 24 Jan is International Education Day means Antarashtriya Shiksha Divas, and also we celebrated in that day is what? Girls Day means Balika Divas. And dear student, in 25th of Jan we celebrated the 25th Jan we celebrated the Rashtriya Matdata Divas, National Voter Day. National Voter. This is also very important day, dear student. National Voter Day. National Voter Day. And also in that day we celebrated the Bharat Paryetan Divas, Indian Tourism Day. Bharat Paryetan Divas. Bharat Indian Tourism Day. Okay, Bharat Paryetan. The India Tourism Day is also celebrated in that day, means 25 of Jan. Thus, in this way, and last one is what very important. You know that 26 January, you know that our Republic Day, and in 30 January, this is Shahid Divas. 30 January, we celebrate the Shahid Divas, okay? 30 of Jan, we celebrated the Shahid Divas. Yes, and these are the some famous day which we celebrated in January, okay? So please learn each and every day which we celebrated in the month of Jan, okay? Now let's see. In January, first of all, we discuss all the important day related in which we celebrated in the month of Jan. First one is, dear student, what? In 9th January, this is Pravasi Bharati Divas. We celebrated in the month of Jan, means and 9th of January. Okay. Next one, dear student, we discuss about the National Youth Day, means Rashtriya Yuva Divas, and Rashtriya Yuva Divas celebrated in January of 12 January. Okay. Now next one is what? We discuss about the Army Day, Thal Sena Divas. Thal Sena Divas means Army Day celebrated on 15th of January. Okay. Now next one we discuss about the 24th of Jan. Dear student, 24th January we celebrated the International Education Day, Antarashtriya Shiksha Divas. Also in that day we also celebrated the Balika Divas, means Girls Day, National Girls Day. Rashtriya Balika Divas also celebrated on 24th of January. Now we discuss about the 25th of January, which is very important day in January. 25 January we celebrated the India Tourism Day, means Bharat Paryatan Divas. Also on 25th of January we celebrated the Rashtriya Matadata Divas, means National Voter Day. National Voter Day also celebrated on 25th of January, and National Voter Day as well as Bharat Paryatan Divas, means India Tourism Day, also celebrated on that day, means 25th of January. Now and then last one is what? 30 January. 30 January we celebrated the Shahid Divas. This is very important, okay? Very important day. So 30 January is also very famous and very important day for our Indians, which is Shahid Divas. Okay, so these are some important days which we celebrated in the month of January. Okay, now dear students, we are going to discuss some important famous day which we celebrated in the month of February. Let's see, dear students. Now we are going to discuss some important day in the month of February. First of all, in February we discuss about the 2nd of February. Dear friend, 2 February we celebrated the World Wetland Divas Day. World Wetland means Vishwa Adra Bhumi Divas. 2nd of February. 2 February we celebrate the World Wetland Day. Wetland means Adra Bhumi Divas. Okay, so in 2nd February we celebrate the World Wetland Day. Now, second important, very important for you and your examination purpose, 4th of February. 4th of February. On 4th February we celebrate the way is the World Cancer Day, World Vishwa Cancer Divas. Okay, this is very important question for you. 4th February we celebrate the World Cancer Day. This is very important and famous day in all over the world. That is 4th February we celebrated the World Cancer Day. On 4th February. Okay, 4th February World Cancer Day. And one important day is also in February. This is World Radio Day. Vishwa Radio Divas. Dear friends, Vishwa Radio Divas or World Radio Day celebrated on 13th of February. 13th of February. in that day we celebrated the World Radio Day. World Radio Day. Okay, Vishwa Radio Divas. What is the question? Vishwa Radio Divas celebrated on 13th of February. Now there's the next one is about 14th of February. You know that the Valentine Day, which is very common between us, and second one is very important in that is Rashtriya Vigyan Divas, that is National Science Day, celebrated in the month of February on 28th. Okay, 28th February we celebrated the National Science Day. Okay, this is very important question for you. National Science Day. Okay, listen. National Science Day means Rashtriya Vigyan Divas. Rashtriya Vigyan Divas means National Science Day is celebrated in the month of Feb on 28th. Okay, so these are the some important famous day. 2nd February is World Wetland Day. Okay, 4th February is World Cancer Day, means Vishwa Cancer Divas. 13th February is World Vishwa Radio Divas, means World Radio Day. And finally, we discuss about the 28th of Feb, that is National Science Day, means Rashtriya Vigyan Divas. Now we are going to discuss some important famous day which we celebrated in the month of March. Let's see, dear students. Now in today's class we discuss the important days. Okay, we will not discuss the current period. We discuss only the important days. Some important days. Okay, dear students. Now, dear students, we are going to discuss the some important famous days celebrated in the month of March. In the month of March is very crucial, and now first we discuss about the 4th March, National Security Day, Vishwa Suraksha Divas. Okay, Rashtriya National Security Day means 4th of March. 4th March means Rashtriya Suraksha Divas. Rashtriya Suraksha Divas, yes. Rashtriya Suraksha Divas means National Security Day. This is very important question. National Security Day. Security Day means Rashtriya Suraksha Divas celebrated in the month of March on 4. Okay, 4th March we celebrate the National Security Day. This is very important question. Rashtriya Suraksha Divas. And you know that 8th March is very famous in all over the world. International Women's Day, which is very famous between us. 8th of March. This is International Women's Day. International Women's Day means Antarashtriya Mahila Divas. Okay, International Women's Day celebrated all over the world in the month of March on 8th March we celebrated the International Women's Day. Okay, 8th of March. Now dear student, we discuss about the 20th of March. 20 March is very important day. Very important day, dear student. This is very important question. 20 of March. Dear student, in 20 of March, we celebrated the World Happiness Day, Vishwa Prasannata Divas, Antarashtriya International Happiness Day. Dear, this is very important question. International Happiness Day. International Happiness Day celebrated on 20 of March, as well as in that day we celebrated the World Sparrow Day. गोराया होती थी ना बेटा, World Sparrow Day also, as well as World Sparrow Day. Sparrow Day means विश्व गौराया दिवस. Dear student, World Sparrow Day as well as International Happiness Day are celebrated on 20 of March. This is very important question for you and your examination purpose. Okay, so please dear student, learn each and every. Now dear student, we discuss about the 22 of March, which is also very important day. 22 of March we celebrate the World Water Day. 22 of March, Vishwa Jal Divas. 22 of March 22 we celebrate the World Vishwa Jal Divas, means World Water Day. World Water Day. Vishwa Jal Divas is also celebrated on 22 of March. So dear students, 22 of March we celebrate this. Okay, now dear students, we discuss some other important okay, so dear students, in the month of March you learn all the important you learn these all important days which we celebrated, okay, all over the which are the celebrated all over the world. First one, dear student, we discuss about the 4th of March. Dear student, on the 4th of March we celebrated the National Security Day, means Rashtriya Suraksha Divas. This is very important question, dear student. So Rashtriya Suraksha Divas is celebrated on 4 of March, and 8 March is also very important, International Women's Day, Antarashtriya Mahila Divas. Okay, now we discuss about the, after that we discuss about the 20 of March. 20 of March we celebrated the International Happiness Day or World Happiness Day, and as well as we are celebrated in that March, means 22 of March is World Sparrow Day, means Vishwa Gauraya Divas is also celebrated on that day, as means 22 of March. Now we discuss about the 22 of March. Dear students, 22 of March, 22 March we celebrate the World Water Day, means Vishwa Jal Divas. Now, so these are some important days, dear students, which we celebrated in the month of what? March. Now we are going to discuss about the some other famous important days which we celebrated in the month of April. In the month of April, let's see. Now we are going to discuss some important days in the month of April. Dear friends, in the month of April, first of all, we discuss about the 7th of April. Some we discuss only the important dates. Okay, 7th of April. Dear friends, we celebrate in 7th of Vishwa Swasthya Health Day, World Health Day, Vishwa Swasthya Divas. Okay, we celebrated on 7th of April. Vishwa World Health Day, means Vishwa Swasthya Divas. Student, this is very important question. Vishwa World Health Day. The World Vishwa Swasthya Divas is celebrated on 7th of April. Okay, now next one is Vishwa Homeopathy Divas, World Homeopathy Day. World Homeopathy Day is celebrated on 10 April. This is also very important question. 10 April. World Homeopathy Day. Vishwa Homeopathy Divas means World Homeopathy Day is celebrated on 10th of April. This is very important question, dear student. Now, dear student, we are going to discuss some important dates which are celebrated in the month of this. Okay, now Yes, we discuss about the 18th of April. Reduction in 18th April we celebrate Vishwa Virasat Heritage Divas Day. 18th of April विश्व विरासत दिवस वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे. विश्व विरासत दिवस मीन्स वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे. ठीक है, तो दिस इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन which we celebrate day which we celebrate in the month of April. 18 of April we celebrate the World Heritage Day, means Vishwa Virasat Divas is very important. World Health Day is very important question day which we celebrate in the month of April. 7th April, 10th April Vishwa Homeopathy Day. Okay, World Vishwa Homeopathy Divas is also very important question which is celebrated in on the month of April, 10th April. Now and now finally Vishwa Heritage World Heritage Day means Vishwa Virasat Divas also celebrate very important which is celebrated on 18th of April. Now we are going to discuss about the Earth Day. There's an Earth Day celebrated on 22 of April. This is very important question. Please write everyone 22 of April. In that day we celebrated the Earth Day. We celebrated the Earth Day. Yes, Earth Day is celebrated the month of April on 22. Okay, this is very important question. Earth Day 22 of April. Okay, now in this way we discuss about some important day which we celebrated in the month of April. Now, dear students, we are going to discuss some important famous day which we celebrated in the month of May. Okay, in the month of May. Let's see, dear students. Now we are going to discuss some important day, famous day which we celebrated in the month of May. Okay, let's see. First of all, we discuss about the 1st of May. 1st May we celebrated the Vishwa Shramik Divas, Labor Day. 1st May. 1st May we celebrated the World Labor Day. You know that very well. World Labor Day. Vishwa Shramik Divas is celebrated on 1st of May. 1st of May we celebrate the Vishwa Shramik Divas. Now next one which is very important. Now in the month of May we discuss about the World Nurse Day, celebrated on 12th of May. 12th of May, World Nurse Day. World Nurse Day, Vishwa Nurse Divas or World Nurse Day is celebrated on 12th of May. 1st May we celebrated the Labor Day, and 12th May we celebrated the World Nurse Day. Now we are going to discuss some other important and famous day which we celebrated on the month of May. Yes, 22 of May. This is very important day, dear student, in the month of May. 22 of May. 22 of May we discuss about the biodiversity. Dear student, 22 of May अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जैव विविधता, International Biodiversity Day. International Biodiversity Day. Okay, International Biodiversity Day means अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जैव विविधता दिवस। ओके, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जैव विविधता दिवस इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 22 of May. Okay, dear students, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जैव विविधता दिवस is celebrated on 22 of May. This is very important question. The very important day which we celebrated in the month of May. 1st May we celebrated the World Labor Day. 12 May we celebrate the World Nurse Day. Okay. 22 of May we discussed the way we celebrated the International Biodiversity Day. This is very important question. 22 of May. 22 of May we celebrated the International Biodiversity Day, means अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जैव विविधता दिवस. Okay, so this is the some important day which we celebrated in the month of May. Now we are discuss some important day which we celebrated in the month of June. Let's see. Now we discuss some important day, famous day celebrated in the month of June. First we discuss the 1st June. 1st of June we celebrated the World Milk Day, विश्व दुग्ध दिवस. Okay. World Milk Day. World Milk Day is celebrated in the month of June. 1st June we celebrated the World Milk Day. Okay, this is very important question. And World Cycle Day celebrated on 3rd of June. 3 June. And we celebrate the World Cycle Day. World Cycle Day. World Cycle Day is celebrated on 3rd of June. Now, in the month of June, you know that very well. You are familiar very well. You are familiar of 5 June. You know that अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पर्यावरण दिवस, International Environment Day. Okay, you know that World Environment Day, na? World Environment Day means अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पर्यावरण दिवस is celebrated on 5 of June. Okay, this is very important question of your examination purpose. Now we discuss one more important question celebrated the now in the month of June. We also discussed. We also celebrated some important days, like 20 of June. Dear student, 20 of June we celebrated the Vishwa Sharanaarthi Divas, Refugees Day, International Refugee. 20 of June. Dear student, 20 of June we celebrated the Vishwa Sharanaarthi Divas, World Refugee Day. Okay, World Refugee Day means Vishwa Sharanaarthi Divas. So these are some important and famous day which we celebrated in the month of June, which is 1st June World Milk Day, 3rd June Cycle Day, World Cycle Day, 5 of June World Environment Day, you know that very well, and 20 of June World Refugee Day. Thus, dear student, in this way, in today's class, we discuss some important and famous day which we celebrated. We discuss about the month of January to June. Now, in next class, we discuss some other important days which we celebrated in the month of July to December. Now, in next video, next class of GK, we discuss all the important and famous day which we celebrated July to December. Now, first of all, you revise and learn all the important day which we discuss in that class. Now in that next class we discuss some other important day. Okay. Now thanks to all.